If you stumble across Old Monarchy while browsing for trendy or vintage style clothing, you might be wondering, can I trust this site or is it just another online scam? Let's break it down. Quick disclaimer before we begin, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. OldMonarchy.com claims to offer stylish apparel with a royal twist. The style looks clean and modern, but a closer look raises a few red flags. First, it's a very new domain and there's no verified presence on Trustpilot, which means we don't have any reliable customer ratings to go off of. Also, there are reports on scam checking websites labeling it as suspicious due to limited transparency, hidden ownership, and a lack of clear or return or refund information. That's a big deal when you're dealing with online purchases. At this point, Old Monarchy doesn't seem fully trustworthy. Without customer reviews, social proof, or a legit reputation, it's better to hold off or pay through a protected method like PayPal just in case things go south. Have you tried ordering from Old Monarchy? Drop your experience in the comments to help others out. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more no-nonsense reviews.